In this video, I'll walk you through the configuration of the Document Manager for Confluence plugin. The process starts by creating a brand new space in Confluence and then navigating to the space settings to access the configuration options. From there, we go into the App Links section, where all external integrations are managed, and specifically look for the connection with the Document Manager for Confluence plugin. This is the entry point that allows us to link the plugin to the space and prepare it for further configuration. The configuration includes several key steps. The first is to activate a workflow with Kamala. To do this, open Kamala, select a workflow, and apply it across the entire space. This ensures that every page in the space follows the same approval process. Once that's in place, we return to the DMC configuration to continue setting up the plugin. At this stage, we carefully define the publication status, deciding how and when a page will move from draft to published state, ensuring clear workflow control. Next, we select the publication space. Since this space will serve as the dedicated destination for all validated content coming from DMC drafts, it's highly recommended to use an empty space. If you don't already have one, you can create a new empty space by clicking on Create Space and setting it up specifically for published documents. This helps keep all published content organized and separate from ongoing work in your main space. Next, we configure the naming rules. Each page managed by DMC is automatically assigned a unique identifier at the time of its creation. This identifier is not only used internally but is also displayed as a label on the page, making it easy to recognize and track. You can customize this identifier to include details such as the date, the month, the year, a custom text string, or even the parent page name. Additionally, you can adjust the order of these elements to suit your needs. For example, you could start with the month followed by the year, or the year followed by the month. This flexibility allows you to align the naming convention. It's important to note that once a unique identifier is assigned to a page, it cannot be deleted. This ensures that every identifier remains permanent and truly unique across the entire Confluence instance, not just within a single space. We also need to set the minimum depth. This tells DMC at which page level it should begin working, and it can be configured between levels 1 and 6 depending on your content structure. Another important option is the distribution group. After a page is published, the plugin allows you to automatically notify or share it with a specific group of users. This way, the right people are always informed when new content is available. The last step is configuring versioning. Here, we define the starting version, the increment rules, and the publication version. This gives you full control over how documents evolve from draft to final publication. Once all these settings are completed, the plugin is fully configured and ready to use in your Confluence space. You now have a powerful framework to manage documents, ensure consistency, and streamline the publication process.